What is up, YouTube? Today is a trading recap. Today is Wednesday, March 14th, 2026, and we lost today, sadly. I'm going to be honest. So let's just get straight into this and talk about how I lost and what I'll do better in the next video. Or, not video, but whatever, trade. So, the session I traded was New York Open. Traded micro ES, and my bias was bearish for some odd reason. I'm going to get to that right now. So let's go on the daily. So let's get into this. I don't know. First of all, very good bearish bias. Am I right, guys? This is a really good bearish bias. I don't know what the hell I was taking this morning. 4 hour. Whoa. This is fairly bearish. 1 hour. Oh my god. It broke in structure right here to the downside. That means it must be bearish. So, I'm an idiot, alright? Sorry. This was a bad trade. Shouldn't have done it, and yeah. I wish I traded yesterday. Yesterday was a perfect trading day on NASDAQ. And then the day before that, on Monday, what the fuck? I just absolutely missed my trades, obviously. I didn't enter because I had the wrong daily bias because I didn't think it would keep moving up. I'm just not used to this, I guess. Never seen something like this. So, perfect bearish setup off the rip. Alright, here we go. Let me just explain. So, obviously, my bias was wrong. It was bullish. I'm an idiot for that. My confluence of the trade was a 5-minute order block, 5-minute equilibrium, a 1-minute inverse fair value gap, and a 1-minute break of structure. So, here's my trade. First of all, I shouldn't have taken this trade. I'll tell you after, but here, let me just show you the confluences. So, look at this beautiful bearish trade. We move up, market opens, we make a fair value gap to the upside, we sweep London and Asia highs off rip, by the way. After that, new candlestick opens. Let's go down to the 1 minute. I was gonna enter here, but I didn't know what the bias was because it was literally like the second candle. It was like really early in the market and I didn't want to enter this early. 9:42. It would have been fine to enter here, but I don't know. I just didn't. Inverse fair value gap on the 1 minute chart. And not only that, on the 3-minute chart there was an inverse, I'm pretty sure. Well. If I entered there, I still wouldn't have hit TP, but it would have been a decently good trade. I probably would have hit, I don't even know. Let me check. Yeah, I wouldn't have hit TP. Doesn't matter. Alright. So, horrible entry, first of all. This is a horrible entry, so let's go to the 1 minute. So, look at retraces up, closes below, retraces up into this order block, comes into equilibrium. I enter down here because I'm horrible at entries. Well, I'm not horrible at them, I just messed up on this entry. And then it came up and hit TP, or not TP, but stop loss. So let's go down to the 1 minute. It was a wick that I entered off of, this wick. Because I'm like, oh damn, I low-key might have just missed this equilibrium setup, and I think it's going down for lower lows now. I should just enter here so I don't sell. And then obviously it wicks, and then stops me out, and then moves 8 million feet up. Alright. So yeah, that was the trade. What I could have done better is try to enter better. First of all, this was a terrible entry. I would have been fine even if I entered here. I know I would have still lost, but at least it's up above. Here would have been fine. Here would have been fine. And then what else? Also, I need to enter off my confluences. Yeah, I haven't been entering off my confluences. I just realized that. So it hit equilibrium, but I didn't enter off of equilibrium. I entered, so what I want to enter from 0.75 to equilibrium, 0.5. This price zone is where I want to enter. So what I do is when it hits it, I'm like, alright, let's just wait till it comes into it a little more. And I'm like, oh, wait, let's wait till it comes into it a little more. I'm like, wait, just a little more. Wait, it's getting kind of high. Should I not enter? Wait, oh, it's going low again. Let's enter now. Oh, wait, let's be careful. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's going below 0.5. It's not in the 0.5 zone. Oh my god, it's below 0.25. Let's enter now. No. We need to enter. I missed the good trade. I missed the good entry. That's what I've been doing. I've not entered off my confluences. I've entered on price just deking me out. And price punishes you for that. Boom, punishment. Also, maybe let's have a good daily bias, because if the daily bias is wrong, then everything goes to shit. Okay? So, the trade was at 6:52 a.m. Boom. Lost around $49.40. My thoughts and emotions, I'm just annoyed on how I'm horrible at entering and really want to get better at it. And I know my solution now. It's because I'm not entering off the confluence. I'm entering off of like trying to get a perfect entry. Okay? So when it hits the confluences, I enter. It's that simple. Simplify it down. Also, a mistake on this trade. Let me show you this. You're gonna be like, oh damn, this guy's an idiot. Why would he trade? So we get a inverse fair value gap to the downside. Oh, short. You should short that. Come down. Maybe you hit your TP. Orders got filled here. Move up. Oh, it's moving up. Oh, there's a fair value up to the downside. Inverse to the upside. Filled. Boom. Could have entered long right here. I remember I saw it. I'm like, oh damn, it's inversing. Oh damn, it's inversing. Should I long? Nah, I'm gonna stay with my daily bias and go short here for some reason, even though it just inverse to the upside. Oh my goodness, it would have hit DP. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. And there was news today at 5:30 a.m. Empire State Manufacturing Index. At 5:30 a.m. Where the hell is that? I know this isn't it. What the hell? Is it like this or something? No, it's like here it is. 8:30, which is 5:30 my time. Boom. This little white one right here, little bullish one on Nasdaq. It's bearish. Did absolutely nothing. Just looks like a normal candlestick. And yep, that's the trade for the day. So see you guys tomorrow. And the next, or whenever I do my next trade, I'll make a trading recap. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow.